video, we'll briefly cover common pest issues and management considerations for American elderberry, with emphasis on North Alabama and surrounding areas. Good weed management is critical during establishment because elderberries compete poorly initially with weeds for water and nutrients. Mulches such as wood chips can help suppress weeds and conserve soil moisture. Landscape fabric is another option for the first 2 years or so. Herbicides can also be an option, but remember to avoid systemic herbicides since elderberries produce root suckers, and systemic herbicides that contact those low-lying suckers that are hard to see will translocate into the main plant and cause injuries. If you choose to use herbicides, look for products labeled for elderberry or generally for caneberry and follow label directions on application rates. Areophyte mites are microscopic pests that can cause distorted leaves, curled growth, and reduced plant vigor. This is fairly common on elderberry in Alabama. Because these mites overwinter in buds and woody tissue, pruning and sanitation can play an important role here. After the establishment phase, removing and destroying pruned wood and applying dormant oil during the winter can help reduce populations before growth resumes in the spring. Spotted-winged Drosophila is a major concern for many small fruit crops because, unlike other fruit flies, SWD lays eggs in developing fruit that's yet to be completely ripened. Monitoring is essential. You can place a simple trap with a 2-to-1 mixture of Concord grape juice and water to help detect activity and then make management decisions. Leaf-footed bugs feed directly on fruit and can reduce berry yield and quality. Conventional growers may choose to use insecticides like pyrethroids. The rotation of insecticide mode of action is recommended to prevent insecticide resistance. Organic management focuses on conserving natural enemies using trap crops such as sorghum and sunflower and targeting the nymph with pyrethroid products when necessary. Japanese beetles skeletonize foliage of many Alabama crops and other plants. Elderberry is not their favorite host, but they will feed on elderberry, and that can be a problem, especially in the establishment years. Conventional management might include carbaryl products on the adults for organic systems, beneficial nematodes, especially Heterohabditis bacteriophora, applied to the soil during the larval stage in late summer can help suppress populations. Disease management in elderberry begins with cultural practices. Proper spacing improves air circulation, pruning removes infected plant material, and balanced fertility helps maintain healthy plants. Common diseases include elderberry rust, cercospora leaf spot, bacterial leaf spot, and several viruses. Early identification and good crop sanitation are key components of management. Pruning practices depend on your goals and can differ between home gardeners and commercial producers. In home gardens, elderberries can be managed much like blueberries by selectively removing older canes and controlling plant height through pruning. This leaves certain stems for the stem nesting bees that take advantage of elderberry's hollow stems. Many commercial growers, after the 2 establishment years, will cut elderberry back completely to the ground every year or 2, which keeps the berries at a uniform harvest height and promotes a uniform ripening harvest window. This approach simplifies management, improves harvest efficiency, and removes mites and other pests inhabiting the canes.